Robinson. The name of the group is Kirk. And we love to do what we do, and this is prayer in action. This is our ministry. We thank you so much for being here to enjoy this with us.
How long have you been playing?
Oh man, it seems like I've been playing all my life. And the one thing about playing is that if it's something you love, you'll keep doing it on and on and on and on. So I'm not gonna ever stop.
What made you get two drummers?
Well, just by chance, one couldn't make it, he had a problem. We called the other guy and they both showed up at the same time. So I couldn't let neither one of them go because I love them both and they're both excellent musicians.